Okay, so now we are out in the main waiting room area. Got the TV on the wall in there, just a little computer and waiting station. That's all glass, so I have a kind of a privacy curtain there. There's the hallway, and that's the front desk area. And you can see it's all glass windows, so it's really nice and open, very inviting. And then I put some privacy glass on the windows there on the left. And then this is where I have the therapy room, and I have that half wall kind of dividing the two rooms. I got the two full body vibration machines, I've got two lipo lasers, and then I've got two of the roller beds, and I've got therapy bands hooked up to the wall there, and I've got two TENS units. And then this room, we just moved all the file cabinets from the back and brought them into the room, so it was kind of close to the front office, but yet still out of the way. And there's a curtain to Main Street with the window there. This is another room. I used to just in here, but it started getting a little bit warm in the summertime with the glass windows. So I kind of moved that. I've got my supplements on the wall, my test kits for biotics and standard process, some of my books, skeleton there, just a little desk. And then more glass windows. Literally the whole place is glass windows. They replaced the air conditioning unit a few months ago, so now the electric bill went down. It was like $380 at one time. Now I think it's running like $170. Here's my adjusting room that I use primarily. I'm not really high volume, so I don't need multiple rooms. But we got the desk there with two screens. Just got the mats on the floor there, and then I've got my couple pictures from some mission trips, and back there we've got curtains over the windows, got the bathroom right there, and then some storage underneath the sink. The old sink needed replaced, so I had a new one put in. And then one of my patients does cabinets, so I had him install cabinets for me for my supplements and all my storage needs. Back window going out behind the building. Now we've got our fridge, full-size fridge. Little kitchen area, kind of small, but then there's storage there. You know, once she has her coffee pot in the microwave up there, it kind of takes up a lot of space, and we've got storage in there. And then there's my other little storage room back here. So I've got, you know, just a lot of different things. Lighting, that's apart from my car. And then, yeah, a lot of cleaning supplies and things like that. And then back here, just a little cork board for extra knickknacks. Oh, and of course my chin-up bar, gotta have that. And then there's the hallway exiting. And you can kind of see all the glass windows